Hello students, this class is the continuation of the last class. In the last class we studied compound angles, that is formulas sin A plus B, formula for sin A plus B, cos A plus B, tan A plus B, sin A minus B, cos A minus B and tan A minus B. In this session we solve some problems using the compound angle formulas. Okay. Problem: if tan A is equal to 1 by 2, tan B is equal to 1 by 3 and A and B are acute angles, that is in the first quadrant, then prove that the sum of the angles A and B, that is A plus B, is equal to 45 degree. Here we have to prove that sum of the angles is equal to 45 degree. We know one result: tan 45 is equal to 1. Tan 45 is equal to 1. So if tan A plus B is equal to 1, then A plus B is 45 degree. Therefore we start with tan A plus B, then try to prove that tan A plus B is equal to 1. Here tan A plus B is equal to, we know the formula for tan A plus B. Tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. So, given the values tan A and tan B, they will substitute tan A and tan B. Here the simplification of fractions. Simplification of fractions is cross multiplication technique. Cross multiply this one and this 3. 1 into 3, 3. Plus, this symbol is plus, therefore we put plus here. Then cross multiply these two values, 2 and 1. Cross multiplication of 2 and 1 is 2. Divided by product of the denominators. Denominators 2 and 3. Product of the denominators 2 into 3, 6. Divided by simplification of the denominator. Here cross multiplication 1 into 2 into 3. 1 into 2 into 3 is 6. Minus here 1 by 1. 1 into 1 into 1. 1. Divided by 6. 6 got cancelled. 3 plus 2, 5. Divided by 6 minus 1, 5. 5 by 5, 1. Therefore, tan A plus B is equal to 1. Tan A plus B is equal to 1 only when angle is 45 degree. Therefore, A plus B is equal to 45 degree or pi by 4 angle. This is the answer. Next problem: if tan A is equal to 18 by 17 and tan B is equal to 1 by 35, A and B acute angles, then prove that A minus B is equal to 45 degree. Take tan A minus B. Here our aim is to prove that A minus B is equal to 45 degree. We know that tan 45 is equal to 1. Therefore, if tan A minus B is equal to 1, then A minus B is equal to 45 degree. Therefore, take tan A minus B. The formula for tan A minus B is tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Substitute the values. Tan A 18 by 7 minus tan B 1 by 35 divided by 1 plus tan A 18 by 17 into tan B 1 by 35. Then simplification of fractions. First simplify the numerator. Cross multiplication 18 into 35. 18 into 35 630 minus 17 into 1 17 divided by 17 into 35. Product of the denominators. Divided by, then the simplification of the denominator. Here cross multiplication 1 into 17 into 35. 1 into 17 into 35 is 585. Sorry, 595. 595, that is 1 into 17 into 35 is 595 plus here 1 by 1 into 18 into 1 18 divided by 1 into 17 into 35 17 into 35. Here 17 into 35 17 into 35 got cancelled. 630 minus 17 613 divided by 595 plus 18 613 is equal to 1. Therefore, tan A minus B is equal to 1. Therefore, A minus B is 45 degree. This problem is very important. Next problem, if A plus B is equal to 45 degree, then show that 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B is equal to 2. This problem is also very important. Here A plus B is equal to 45 degree. Therefore, tan A plus B is equal to tan 45 is equal to 1. Tan A plus B. A plus B is 45. Therefore, tan 45. Tan 45 is equal to 1. Then substitute the formula for tan A plus B. Tan A plus B is therefore we get replace tan A plus B by tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B is equal to right hand side 1. Then cross multiply. We get tan A plus tan B is equal to 1 minus tan A tan B. Okay. Then transform this minus tan A tan B to the left side. Tan A plus tan B plus tan A tan B is equal to 1. Answer is right hand side 1. Therefore, add 1 both sides. Therefore, 1 plus tan A plus tan B plus tan A tan B is equal to 1 plus 1. Take 1 plus tan A. Group 1 and tan A. 1 plus tan A. Then take tan B outside. Tan B into, if we take tan B outside, here 1 left plus here tan A left is equal to 2. Here 1 plus tan A common, here 1 plus tan A. 1 plus tan A is a common quantity. Take 1 plus tan A outside. 1 plus tan A into, here if we take 1 plus tan A outside, we get 1 here plus here tan B is equal to 2. This is the answer. Next problem, prove that cos A minus sin A by cos A plus sin A is equal to tan 45 minus A. In the right side, tan A minus B form, we know the formula for tan A minus B. Apply the formula tan A minus B. Therefore, you take right hand side, then simplify. This is tan A minus B is equal to tan A, that is tan 45, minus tan B, here tan A, divided by 1 plus tan 45 tan A. Tan 45 1 minus tan A by 1 plus tan 45 1 into tan A tan A. But our answer is cos minus sin A, cos A minus sin A by cos A plus sin A. Here 1 minus tan A by 1 plus tan A. But we know the result, tan A is equal to sin A by cos A. Therefore, replace tan A by sin A by cos A. 1 minus sin A by cos A, replace tan A by sin A by cos A, divided by 1 plus sin A by cos A. Simplify numerator and denominator. This is a fraction. Simplification, cross multiplication. 1 into cos A, minus, here 1 into sin A, divided by 1 into cos A, divided by, here cross multiplication, 1 into cos A is cos A, plus, here 1 into sin A, by cos A. Cos A got cancelled. Answer cos A minus sin A by cos A plus sin A. Next problem. Prove that sin pi by 3 plus A minus sin pi by 3 minus A is equal to sin A. Take left hand side. This is equal to sin pi by 3 plus A, that is sin A plus B. Sin A plus B is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A cos B. Sin pi by 3 sin A plus B, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B minus this sin A minus B, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, sin A cos B, sin pi by 3 cos A minus cos pi by 3 sin A. Here sin pi by 3 cos A, here minus sin pi by 3 cos A got cancelled. These two got cancelled. This is cos pi by 3 sin A, this is minus plus cos pi by 3 sin A. Therefore, 2 cos pi by 3 sin A. Cos pi by 3 sin A minus plus cos pi by 3 sin A. Therefore, 2 cos pi by 3 sin A. 2 into cos 60 degree. Pi by 3 is 60 degree. Cos 60 degree is 1 by 2 into sin A. 2 got cancelled. Answer sin A. Okay, our next problem. Sin alpha into cos 90 minus alpha plus cos alpha into sin 90 minus alpha is equal to 1. Here the left hand side is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Therefore, the left hand side is sin A plus B. This sin A, this cos B, this is cos A, this is sin B. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B is sin A plus B. Sin A is alpha plus b is 90 minus alpha. Alpha minus alpha got cancelled. Sin 90 is equal to 1. Next problem, sin a plus b plus cos a minus b is equal to sin a plus cos a into sin b plus cos b. We know the formula for sin a plus b and formula for cos a minus b. Sin a plus b, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, cos a minus b cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Then substitute the formulas in the left hand side. Left hand side is equal to sin a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b plus cos a minus b cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Sin a cos b plus sin a sin b. Consider sin a cos b and sin a sin b. Here sin a is a common factor. Take sin a outside. Sin a cos b, sin a sin b, sin a common. Take common outside. Sin a outside. Remaining quantity cos b. Plus this symbol is plus. Therefore sin a, we take sin a outside, therefore the remaining quantity is sin b. Plus, consider these two quantities, cos a sin b and cos a cos b. Here cos a is a common factor. Take cos a outside. Cos a sin b and cos a cos b, cos a common factor, we take cos a outside, remaining quantity is sin b. Here symbol plus, remaining quantity cos b. Here cos b plus sin b, here sin b plus cos b, both the same. Therefore cos b plus sin b, cos b plus sin b is a common factor. Take that factor outside. Cos b plus sin b into, here remaining quantity is sin a. Plus sin b plus cos b common, remaining quantity cos a. This is the right hand side. Our next problem, sin a plus b into sin a minus b is equal to cos squared b minus cos squared a. Substitute the formula for sin a plus b and formula for sin a minus b in the left hand side. LHS is equal to sin a plus b is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin a plus b is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b into sin a minus b, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Sin a minus b is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. This is x, this is also x, this is y, this is also y. Therefore this is x plus y, this is x minus y. X plus y into x minus y is x squared minus y squared. X squared minus y squared answer is equal to x is sin a cos b, square is sin squared a cos squared b minus y, y is cos a sin b, y squared is cos squared a sin squared b. In the answer or in the right hand side only cosine terms exist. Therefore we replace sine terms. Sin squared a, we know the identity. Sin squared a is same as 1 minus cos squared a. replace sin squared a by 1 minus cos squared a into cos squared b minus cos squared a into sin squared b is 1 minus cos squared b. 1 into cos squared b minus cos squared a into cos squared b. 1 into cos squared b is cos squared b minus cos squared a into cos squared b is cos squared a into cos squared b. Then minus cos squared a into 1 cos squared a minus minus plus cos squared a into cos squared b. Here minus cos squared a into cos squared b, here plus cos squared a into cos squared b got cancel. Answer cos squared b minus cos squared a. This is the right answer, right hand side. We stop today's class here. We continue with some more problems. More problems in the compound angle section. Our next section is also problems related to compound angles.